To find this location, there will be signage on the outside and one of the workers from across will likely ask if you're here for the cooking class. You will then be guided inside a shop that sells kitchen supplies, snacks and other souvenirs. Go towards the end past the register and walk up the flight of steps. Yen, the cooking instructor, will warmly greet you upon arrival. For the class, we ended up making 3 dishes from scratch: spring rolls, salad, with prawns and pork belly, and betel leaves with beef and noodles. Dessert is also included at the end, but due to time constraints, you will not get a chance to make this. For non-meat eaters, there was also a vegetarian option as well. Meats are substituted with tofu, and there was also a vegan-friendly fish sauce. Yen was an amazing instructor. She was patient, friendly, explained the history behind each ingredient, and ensured each step wasn't rushed. This class is more geared towards beginners, intermediates, and honestly anyone who has a keen interest in Vietnamese food. After cooking and eating each of your dishes, Yen gave each of us a recipe book plus souvenir to keep. I can safely say these recipes are beginner-friendly and simplified, making them easy to make at home. Great experience overall, 10/10s. It is recommended. It is one of the best options to learn about Vietnamese cuisine and culture. The chef Nguyen taught us from the beginning till finish with the details. The class was fun and of course I enjoyed the foods because they're all amazing. The kitchen itself was very clean and tidy. In addition to this, I have participated in cooking classes in Thailand and Korea, but this is the best one so far. The instructor, Lilia, was very interesting and showed me around the market, so I was able to spend the tour meaningfully. It is also a market, and it is a rainy area, so be careful as your feet will get wet. After moving to the restaurant where the cooking class was held, the air conditioning was on and it was comfortable. Also, we were able to make 3 recipes, but we made one and ate one, and made one and ate it immediately, so we could eat the freshly made food and it was easy to understand the taste. We were very satisfied with the recipe notebook and a little surprise souvenir. Also, since there were only 5 of us, it was very helpful that they taught us carefully and in a way that we could understand. Very satisfied. We really enjoyed being taken around the market and learning about the different things sold there. The cooking class was a lot of fun and would recommend it to anyone traveling. Great way to learn how to cook some authentic dishes and more about the Vietnamese cuisine. One of the best classes I've been to. I got to know my classmates and chit-chat with them. It felt like we're all breaking bread and enjoying good food with good conversation. Our instructor chef helped us have that kind of environment. I've been to several classes in different countries and this is by far the most personal. Thank you so much for this opportunity. We took a market tour in a cooking class. There was an incident where participants did not show up nearly an hour after the meeting time, but I was left with a good impression of how flexible they were in responding to emergencies. During the market tour, the participants answered each of our questions sincerely, and we had the valuable experience of procuring ingredients alongside the locals. In the cooking class, we made 2 appetizers and a main dish using fresh ingredients purchased at the morning market. Although I participated alone, I was able to spend a fun and fulfilling time interacting with other participants. All of the staff members are kind, liven up the atmosphere, and are fluent in English, so you can feel safe participating even if you're alone. There are plans that include just the cooking class, but I personally recommend the market tour plus cooking class plan. If you are unsure, please try participating. I skipped the market tour and went straight to the restaurant to participate in the class. We made 3 main dishes and the dessert was not prepared but just served. One of the other participants was vegan, and ingredients were prepared separately for him. Each time a dish was completed, the table was cleaned and tidied, so I was able to attend class comfortably. Cooking is easy to learn at a beginner level. It's a pity that the price is a bit higher than expected.